Guys, today we will show you how you will this boil egg. So for this we already took all this ingredient. We will took this already this eggs. We will put water here. Then we need black pepper for garnish, and also table salt, and this all utensils. Okay, by knife we will cut. So all these utensils we will use to boil our egg. Okay, and we will eat with like black pepper and salt also. So I will show you. So first what we will do, first we will put water here, half like this water I will show you. Then we will boil this till maybe this 15 minutes. Then I will show you how you will remove this skin and will serve. Okay, so let's start. So if you didn't subscribe our channel, subscribe also, and tell to your friends also, because here you found all informative video which we upload daily. So let's start. Yeah, so I already took this pan and I already to put water level like this should be, this egg should be soon like this. Okay, this then not full, and put little salt also, because you will put salt, so this will be not broken. Okay, the skin will be good. Okay, you put little salt, and then we have to boil it till 15 minutes. Then I will show you how we will serve this. Okay, better cover by lid. Okay, cover by lid. Then I will show you when this will be done by 15 minutes. So I will show you. Okay, so now 15 minutes finished. So we have to check our egg, because this is already done. So we have to remove from hot water, and we will put in another cold water, and this will use a spoon, and they will serve. Okay, so now this is maybe done. So 15 minutes I will show you how we will put skin and then serve. Okay, so I need to remove from fire. So you just see your egg. So now you put normal water here. Okay, and have to mix little cold water here. Then it will be more this skin will be removed proper. Okay, so we have to remove from skin. It's already one by one we have to remove skin from this. I will show you. Okay, so I already removed this from skin of this our egg. So now we will cut by 2, and then we will put black pepper and salt and have to serve. Okay, so this is the process. And 15 minutes you have to cook in hot water, as I show you. So this is easy way. So now I will cut by 2, then we'll serve. Okay, so now this is ready to serve. So this is like black pepper and salt you can put, and now this is ready to serve. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. If you like this video, like and share to your friend also, because in this channel you find informative video. So this is very good video for you. If you didn't subscribe our channel till now, please subscribe, and tell your friend also, because here you found all informative video. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. I will come another informative video also. Till then, have a nice day. Take care. Allah Hafiz.